Morning. Okay, I'm gonna do the writing page with you, the journal page for this morning. So yesterday we wrote about Saturn. Today we are writing about Uranus. Okay, so let's write. Okay, first write your name on the top of your paper. Print your first name. And the date. So today is Tuesday, March 16. 2021. Okay, so the name or the title of the page is Uranus or Uranus. Okay, that's the name of the planet. So we're going to trace the name. So it's capital U R A N U S. Uranus. Okay. And the first sentence is I see, capital I, C-S-E-E. I see the ice giant, Uranus, or the seventh planet. So circle Uranus. I see that. Uranus. U, capital U, R, A, N, U, S, period. You know what? Never mind. Just circle it. I forget that I just circled it. Okay. It, capital I-T, it has 27 moons, 13 rings, or ice. I will say ice. All three are correct, but you can choose whatever one you want to write about. So I think it has ice. I'll circle ice. It is I-T-I-S. It is an ice giant, tilted, or very cold. I will say it is an ice giant. That's what it's called, an ice giant. And in a minute, we'll find out why they call it an ice giant. I, capital I, think, T-H-I-N-K, I think it is icy, windy, or far away. I'll say I think it is icy. Okay, so let's go ahead and complete the sentences now. I'll go back and print the words that I circled. I see Uranus, U-R, capital U-R-A-N-U-S, period. It has ice, I-C-E, period. It is N-A-N, ice, I-C-E, giant, G-I-A-N-T, period. I think it is icy, I-C-Y, period. Okay. Okay, here is a picture of the planet Uranus. It's sort of a grayish, whitish color, or bluish, I guess. It says the blue color comes from gas methane. It has 27 moons and growing. It is 14.5 times the mass of Earth, so it is 14.5 times bigger than Earth. It's 31,763 miles in diameter. 1 year equals 83.8 Earth years. 1 day is 17.2 hours. The average temperature is negative 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Its distance from the sun, it's the 7th planet from the sun, or 1.8 billion miles away from the sun. And it is an ice giant. So it has a gas surface with an interior composed of ices and rock. That sounds cool. Okay. And this is pictures of some of the moons of Uranus. And this is a picture of the Earth and Uranus next to each other compared. So you see that the planet Uranus is much larger than the planet Earth. Okay. And it's kind of a bluish color, and it has a thin ring system. They're very thin, so I guess they're not as easy to see as the rings on Saturn. Okay, so I'm gonna color, so it says it's blue, so I'm gonna make it a blue, but a very light blue. It's very light. It's probably even lighter than this, but make it a little lighter then. And in the pictures from space, the colors look kind of smooth. I mean, the planet looks smooth. I don't see stripes and swirls like on the other planets. It looks pretty smooth, but in this picture it has some, yeah, it has some lines. Okay, so that's the colored planet. And now I will draw the planet Uranus. So it's a big one. I think I'm going to move it over a little bit. It's pretty big. And we'll color. Okay, so that is my picture of the planet Uranus, and that is the journal for this morning. So go ahead and watch this video and complete your page, okay? And I will see you in a few minutes for another lesson, okay? And we have 2 more pages to go before we start our next journal. So I will see you soon for another lesson, okay? Have a good morning, guys.